What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm going to show you this simple candlestick pattern that helps me get days like this almost every single day, and I've been getting prop firm payouts every month this year. All right, guys, so here is the framework of the strategy, and you could see here, this is the bread and butter. We're looking for liquidity sweep, reversal, IFEG, enter, and target the opposite side of the range. So here were my executions on this trade in Quant Tower. You could see I took the trade, I took a little bit of profits there, and this trade actually ended up going even more. But this is the framework for every single trade. You're just looking for this little almost V-shaped reversal pattern off of the level that once it sweeps that liquidity, and this is going to have such a high win rate, especially if you trade it in the New York session. All right, here's trade number 2. So now for this trade, you could see we marked out some more levels. This was a little bit less of a instant reversal than the other one. For me, I really like to see these instant reversals. You see how price wicks this level, immediately starts reversing. In this case, it didn't reverse immediately. It would still be a valid trade, just not as high quality as the previous one. But once these two sell side levels sweep, the overnight lows, I like to use them a lot, Asia and London, you can mark out those levels. But once those levels sweep, you're looking for a reversal back into the range. You can see I'm looking for that V-shaped pattern. I enter long on the IFEG once we inverse the gap, and I just ride that trend higher and higher. And again, just one more time, this is a visual just super dumbed down. This is all you need, guys. I've traded so many different things. I started with EMAs and VWAP. I've tried pattern trading, head and shoulders. I've tried trend lines. I tried so many different things, and this is what works the best. This is what got me all my payouts. And yeah, you mark out major levels of liquidity, you wait for them to sweep, and you're looking for that IFEG reversal back into the range. There's another example here, and this isn't even that crazy of a trade, but I made $6,800 across all my prop firm accounts. So we sweep that Asia low. I identify, this has a little bit less of a V-shaped reaction. Again, this one's a little bit delayed, so these ones won't be as high quality as the first one I showed you, but it's still the same principle. We're looking for that level sweep, reversal, enter long, and then ride that trend. And you can even see here, I called it out live in my Discord. So if you want to trade with me live every single morning, the link is in the bio. So here is another example. This is without the liquidity sweep, but it still holds the other principles that I was talking about. You have the V-shape reversal. You have really good momentum. We're targeting the top side of the range. I don't take these trades as often. I wanted to include it just to show you the setup is pretty versatile. This trade would have been much better if we did sweep, but you could see we still got that same reaction and move we look for. Here are my executions as well. And yeah, I don't like to take these trades all the time. Once in a blue moon, it's pretty nice. But you could see these are the big money makers, these two levels down here. And here was a payout that I got that month. So this was from Take Profit Trader, great prop firm. You can get daily payouts with them up to 5 accounts. Here is a Bull Knox payout. I got $16,500 back in September. And let's go on to this next trade. All right, next trade, very self-explanatory. Once again, we mark out our 1 hour liquidity. That liquidity sweeps. You can see I made a ton of notations on here, so if you want to pause the video and read that. But I'm just looking for a reversal back down into the range. Love the momentum. This big, huge black candle gives me a ton of confidence in this move actually working. And then I had to wait a little bit. We didn't actually get an instant reaction, so it didn't work instantly. You could see I sat here for a good 5 minutes or so just in chop. But once finally price let up and we got 2 huge flush candles to the downside, and I took those profits there, and that resulted in another payout. And last but not least, guys, I'll leave you with this. Here is the bread and butter London low sweep reversal. I take this type of trade every single week. I've made over $100,000 with this specific setup alone. So we have the level marked out. We wait for the sweep. We enter the inversion. We go long. We target the other opposing areas, the swing highs. And here are my executions once again. So there's no hindsight here. There's no fluff. Most of the time, I'm showing my executions on every single trade, and I'm calling these moves out live before they even happen. So this is my bread and butter. Stop wasting your time with those other trading models, or at least give this a chance for a month or two, because I'm telling you, it's so simple. It will change your life, and the clarity on the charts that you will get is amazing. You know, a lot of the time I simply just set my levels, I wait for a sweep, and if they don't sweep, I don't take a trade. And it's so simple because I'm not second guessing myself. Oh, is this a good trade? Is this not a good trade? I have clear black and white defined parameters that need to happen for me to press a button. And what happens because of that? My emotions are in check. I don't tilt. I don't get greedy. So I just love this model. I want to share it with you guys, and hopefully you have success with it as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you on the next one. Take it easy. Peace.